Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how I obtained these cute messy buns. I absolutely love this hairstyle. All the products that I use, I will leave it down below in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave that down below in the comment section. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So I'm firstly going to divide my hair into two equal sections. Next, I will brush the first section of hair. Then I will apply some Moroccan Argan Oil. Thereafter, I will apply some Afro Molding Gel wax to slick down my hair. Then after that, I will add some Motley hair gel. This gel smells amazing. This used to be my favorite hairstyle back in the day when I was still a toddler. I used to love, even my mom made me do buns or do ponytails. It's still currently one of my favorite hairstyles. Currently 25 years old, I believe I will still be rocking the hairstyle when I'm 30. I will be repeating the exact same steps on the other section of hair. Next, I will be tying my ponytails a little bit higher. Thereafter, I will start teasing my hair. Then I will form a bun and pin it down with some bobby pins.
Next, I will be doing my edges with some Vida Molding Gel. Absolutely love this product. It's so amazing. Like, it lays your edges. Next, I will tie my edges down with a silk scarf just to make sure my edges is laid. And this is just me being goofy because I loved the way this hairstyle came out. And here's the final look, guys. This hairstyle came out so cute. Absolutely love it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.